Maglalaro ng Don't Get Eliminated. Okay. Play na nga ako. Yan, ang dami kong mga kalaro. Faster. Hey.
Climb up on stage. It's gonna be the best time of your life. It's gonna be the best time of your life.
Kanang kumanta dyan.
Best time of your life.
Oh my God. Saan tayo pupunta? Oh. Ay, okay. Okay. Dito na ako sa stage. Ano ba yan? Uy, red team.
You're not part of the most extraordinary game show on the planet. I've divided the players into two teams. Winning teams will be granted safety from elimination. Utilize this time to get acquainted with your team.
Uy, red team ako Wala, unti lang namin magkakampi.
Today we're playing volleyball. Hit the balls into the other team's side to win.
Uy. Uy, go. Wala akong panuntok. Boom. Buta natin doon. Go! Ano ba yan? Lamang ba tayo? Lamang ba tayo, guys? Hala! Lamang sila! Guys! Galingan nyo! Lamang sila! Hindi ko lang alam kung lamang sila. Gusto lang ko lamang sila. May nakaharang kasi dito yung settings eh. Uy, nakadagdag na din. Hala, nabawasan na naman. Ano ba kayo? Ayun, naka-6 na tayo. Lamangan nyo yung blue team. Ayun. Yun. Yung babawasan yan. Subukan yung bawasan yan. Okay. Hala! Ginawa nyo! Ayun. Good job! Talo tayo. Ba't di nyo kasi inano yung bola? Ligtas. Sana all. Wait nga lang. Gusto ko yung pintong to. Wala naman. Okay. Ano ko iboboto Subukan nyo akong iboto. Huwag nyo ako.
What are you doing? You lost!
Alam namin.
The call on who to eliminate is now in the hands of your team.
Ito, si Kael. Sana safe ako.
You live to see another day.
Yun, safe.
It appears there are merely two choices remaining.
Uy. Dug. Kinakabahan
You're the
na.
last one safe tonight.
Kabahan na. Uy.
The moment has arrived for your elimination, my friend. Yes!
Lang, tapos kinoriente. Ano ha? Safe kami. Safe kami. Asarap pa kayo.
Jump on the trampoline. When you're in the air, go through the hoops to collect points for your team. The team with the most points will win.
Team. Lagi na lang red team. Ano ba yan? Kukuhanan nyo naman ako. 1. Try ko kaya yung green. Ilan kaya yung yellow? 2? 2 yung yellow. Try ko yung green. Green. Uy, 5! Kailangan puro green. Wait lang, hindi ako makaano. Utot! Come on! Pakuhanin nyo naman ako! Ayun. Ay, hindi. 5 naman. Lang. Green for the team. Magkano yung red? Hindi ko pa nakikita yung red eh. Green na. You did it! Talo na naman! Talo na naman! Ano ba kayo mga red team? Ano nangyari sa inyo? Ha? Anong ginawa nyo? Ba't ang hina nyo sa mga laro? Ito nga, pasukan. Oh my God. Hello, noob. Nababaliw ka na? Uy, fun room? Ay, hindi ko iboto ha?
The red team is lost. You should all be ashamed of yourselves for your performance tonight. The ball on who to eliminate is now in the hands of your team.
Si Pepsi Black na lang. Subukan niyo ako iboto, wag niyo ako iboto.
You live to see another day.
Oh no!
It looks like there are only 2 possibilities left.
Dug, 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 dug. Oh my God!
And you are the last one safe tonight.
Sana. Yun! Haha! Save ako.
It's time to get eliminated, my friend. Yes! Yes!
My God. Buti safe pa ako dun. Muntikan na ako mamatay. Guys! Guys! Good luck na lang sa atin. Red team na naman!
The teams have been shuffled. Say hello to your new teammates.
Red team na naman! Ah! Pero okay lang, baka nga nag-iba na tayo ng kakampi.
You will all be playing King of the Hill.
Oy!
The team who stays on top the longest will win.
Mega. Amay, talon. Bilisan nyo, guys. Bilisan nyo. Guys, we're going to win. We're going to win, guys. Kaya natin to, kaya natin to. Bulaga. Ay! Ala, yung bumalik sa mula. Nakakawan pa lang tayo. Ako pa lang nakakapunta sa taas. Ano ba kayo, guys? Anong klase kayo? Anong klase kayo, guys? Pinapatalo nyo yung ano natin. Ay! Come on, come on. We need to win. Ay! Yeah, we need to win. Ano ba naman to? Ano ba itong naghagdan na to? Paakyat? Bahala na nga. Saan na lang kaya? Ba't ayaw magpaakyat? I'm gonna try this. Ito lang yon. Ayoko! Bulig mo! Good job! Ito naman! Ang galing nyo, guys. Grabe, ang galing nyo. Ang galingan nyo palalo. Sige, galingan nyo palalo. Guys, galingan nyo palalo. Galingan nyo palalo, ha? Aha, galingan nyo palalo. Walang talaga. Sige, galingan pa natin. Para matalo na lahat tayo. Okay.
The red team is lost. You should all be ashamed of yourselves for your performance tonight. Now it's time for your team to decide who should be eliminated. Think carefully.
Inubo na.
You live to see another day.
Safe. Ayun! Haha!
There was a tie. I will be deciding their fates now.
Ano yun?
It appears there are merely two choices remaining.
Ano?
And you are the last one safe tonight.
Sino safe? Safe. Uy! Lahat ng ibuto-utang na! Yes! Okay, safe ulit tayo. Boy tayo. Ano?
I got the falling fruit is a game team with points. Be careful. Falling anvils can crush you.
What? What's this? Ay, ano to guys? Paano tong larong to? Ano yun? Hindi ko alam yun. Paano ba to? Andun lang ako. Ay! Paano ako makakakuha ng pagkain? Uy, faster. Yun na yun, nakakuha na tayo. Ay! Yun na yun, nakakuha na tayo dun. Uy, ang dami. Andun ako. Ay, ko! Ay, mga baka. Alay, ayoko na. Okay, mga prutas. Akin lang yan. Akin lang kayo. Yes. Aray! Ay! Yun na yun, nakakuha na tayo. Sino panalo? Ay nako, sige red team, gawin nyo hanggang sa mamatay na tayo lahat. Ayoko na maging red team. Gusto ko na blue team. Gusto kong manuntok kaso nga lang may Robux. Ayokong gastusin yung Robux ko. Ay nako. Gusto ko kayong pagsusuntukan. What? Jump scare? Na-jump scare niyo ako?
The red team is lost. You should all be ashamed of yourselves for your performance tonight. Now it's time for your team to decide who should be eliminated. Think carefully.
Ay nako. Safe.
You are safe.
Yun! Safe na naman.
There was a tie. I will be deciding their fates now.
Sino safe?
It looks like there are only two possibilities left.
Oh my God! Kabahan na kayo!
And you are the last one safe tonight.
Oh!
The moment has arrived for your elimination, my friend. Yes!
Oh my God! Nilaglag mo na! Oh! Ano kayo dyan? Lagi na lang kayong panalo eh!
Oh, the light is red. First team to reach the end will win.
What? Race?
Green light.
Red light?
Red light. See you later. Green light.
Red light, green light pala to?
Red light. Goodbye. Green light.
No!
Red light. Green light.
monster?
Green light.
Green light, red light pala to. Yun! Dubai. No! Na naman! Ang bagal kasi niya eh! Ang bagal nyo! Bagal nyo kasi! Yan tuloy, talo na naman tayo! Ha? Subukan nyo akong iboto. Ang unti na lang natin, no? Lagi na lang talo ang mga red team. Ano ba yan? Blue team naman? Bagal mo kasi. Ikaw kasi. Manda ka, ikaw iboboto namin.
The red team is lost. You should all be ashamed of yourselves for your performance tonight.
Ako po, mukhang talo
Now
ako
it's time for
dito
your
ah.
team to decide who should be eliminated. Think carefully. Ha ha ha.
Inubo ko na.
You are safe.
Yay!
It appears there are merely two choices remaining.
Dalawa na lang kaming safe. Patay.
You are the last one safe tonight.
Oh my God. Uy!
Your long-awaited elimination is arrived, my friend. Yes!
Guys! Sorry. Everyone is dead. Uy! Ano to?
Teams are a thing of the past. It's a
Uy!
free-for-all.
Wala
The
nang
only
team!
players safe from elimination are the winners of each
Wala
minigame.
nang team! Magkakalaban na kaming lahat. Wala nang team.
The first player to beat the obstacle course will win immunity. Good luck!
Kailangan ko na mag-isip. Oops! Oops! Go guys, come on! Come on guys, you can do this! Guys, huwag na kayong mag-ano-ano dyan! Aray! No! Wala na.
Good job! You did it!
What the... Ooh! Paano ba yan, guys? Isa lang ang panalo. Ala? Bili kaya ako dito ng panuntot. Kaya lang ang mahal. 367 lang Robux ko. Aray! Gusto nyo bumalik talaga ako? Nananadya kayo ah.
Things are gonna switch up this time. The player that won immunity will decide who gets eliminated.
Oh my God. Ay, yung panalo yung mag-aano. Yung pipili kung sino matatalo.
You live to see another day.
Yun.
It looks like only two choices remain.
Yung panalo lang yung pipili.
And you are the last one safe tonight.
Dugdug. Dugdug. Uy!
The moment has arrived for your elimination, my friend. Yes!
Yes! Ano? Safe na naman tayo, guys. Ala, ba't ganito? Ala, nangyari sa akin.
Pick up the falling frame to secure the most points. Be careful, falling anvils can crush you. The player with the most points will win.
Paano to? Paano to, guys? Hindi ko pa to nalalaro. Talon-talon tayo, uy. Eto na naman. Ito na naman. Magkakalaban uli kaming lahat. Hindi naman nanalo, guys. Who will win? Who will win? Aray! Aray! What is it? What is it? Fruit. Prutas. Aray! Ayay! Aray! Ano ba yan? Aray! Oops! Pengi.
Good job! You did it!
Panalo na naman siya. Swerte. Natagan. Ano ba yun? Talo na naman tayo. Ang gagaling eh. Ang galing nito. Safe lang siya. Ay, nako. Mukhang ako na iboboto na ito ah.
Another poor performance has brought you to me once again.
Patay!
Losers, it's time to vote to eliminate somebody. Vote carefully. You live to see another day.
Oh, yes!
It looks like only two choices remain.
Yes, safe na naman! Sino kaya?
You are the last one safe tonight.
Bahan na! Uy!
It's time to get eliminated, my friend.
Ay!
Yes! Yes!
My God! Lagi na lang panalo tong isang naghihintay dito.
The first player to beat the obstacle course will win immunity. Good luck!
Ayoko magpabilis. Ako mauuna! Gagantihan ko kayo! Ako mauuna! Ayokong ayoko mauli! Matalo kayo! Uy, ang hirap nito ah. Huwag sana umalaglag. Huwag ka kang malaglag. Oh, what's this? Ay! Hindi! Ano sana panalo dun eh. Panalo ko to. I need to win this race. Sana wala pang nakakapunta dun sa dulo. Ay! Ala! Kaya naman pala nananalo yung babaeng yan. Nanununtok ka. Nanununtok, madaya. Walang manununtok. Matalo ka sana. Ang daya na itong babaeng to, nanununtok eh. Uy. Ako na sana panalo. Naku po, ako na yata ibubuto nila. Nene! Doon ko iboto. Guys, iba na lang muna iboto nyo. Patay! Tatlo na lang kami, oh. Don't.
Who you think should be eliminated? Be careful who you pick, though. You don't want to get on somebody's bad side.
Ala?
Losers, it's time to vote to eliminate somebody. Vote carefully.
Daya ng babaeng to, nanununtok para lang manalo siya.
You are safe.
Safe sana. No!
It looks like only two choices remain. And you are the last one safe tonight.
Sana ako. Yes! Haha! Analo.
It seems the eliminated player has saved himself. Welcome back.
Ah? Safe din siya? Okay. Ang talo. Manda ka, babae ka, ah.
You
Tatalo.
will all be playing King of the Hill. The player who stays on top the longest will win.
Daya ng babae. Ang daya ng babae, nanununtok. Kapag talo. Handa ka sa akin, babae ka. Mamaya ka sa akin. Ay, mali. Dito. Baka mamaya maano na naman ako. Ala! Ano ba yan? Ayun! Ano na, guys? Aray! 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 Ah! Wala. Oh no! Panalo na siya. Wala na. Nagpanalo na tayo. Ah!
Good job! You did it!
Oh my! Lagi na lang talo. Naku po. Huwag niyo ako iboto, ah. Ano ba yan? Please lang. Huwag niyo ako iboboto, ah. Galingan niyo pa! Ah! Ay, nako.
Things are gonna switch up this time. The player that won immunity will decide who gets eliminated.
Ay. Naku po, wag mo ko iboboto, ah. Wag mo ko iboboto. Oh no. Ah!
Seems there are only two options left.
Patay!
And you are the last one safe tonight.
Yay! Safe na naman.
It's time to get eliminated, my friend.
Yes! Yes!
Yes!
Lagi na lang ako, safe, ah. Yay!
Some
Okay.
of the tiles in the correct order.
Ito na
The first person to
naman.
reach the end will gain immunity.
Wait lang, this is the first one. Ganda ba ng babaeng to? No! Wrong! Didaya nyo, ah. Sinusunod ko lang! Oh! Oh! Alay! Ay! OMG.
Good job! You did it!
Ano ba yan? Naku po. Kaming dalawa na lang. Kaming dalawa na lang. Ako na yung talo dito yata. Ako na yata yung talo. Bubuto ata ako na babaeng to. Lagi ako sinusuntok. Ayoko na. Ako na yata yung talo. Ba't ako? Lagi na lang ako eh.
Another poor performance has brought you to
Ako
me.
na yung yata yung iboboto.
Losers, it's time to vote to eliminate somebody.
Malamang.
Carefully. It seems there are only two options left.
Ako na yung talo dito. Ako na yung talo.
And you are the last one safe tonight.
No!
Your long-awaited elimination is
Wait. Wait lang.
Congratulations, finalists! One of you will be eliminated tonight.
Nanonood pala si...
Enjoy the beautiful dinner that's been prepared for you.
Nanonood pala sila dito. So yun guys, bye-bye na. Natalo ako. Bye-bye!